Hello everybody, it's 11:15 and 41 seconds on December 6th. This is now the main drawing for the two slabs, the Spidey 101, which is 0.5 because it's incomplete, because it was a return copy with the cutoff at the top, and number 300 graded 9.2. Over here on the left are the 30 filled spots. Alright, I'm going to roll the 3 dice. The number is 12. Going to randomize 12 times. Name at the top of the list will get both books. I will try my best if I get home later to get them out in today's mail. If not, they will ship out tomorrow, Friday the 7th. All right. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And here comes the final one, 12. Spot 13, John Tung. Congratulations. That was from mini number 2. It is 11:16 and 40.